Hello, my dear subscribers. Hoping you a good week this week. I'm back with my third video. That is, in this video, we are going to learn about Chat GPT, which was going to be a trenders nowadays. What is all about it? If you go to the YouTube or if you ask anybody, everybody now are using Chat GPT. Actually, Chat GPT gained 1 million subscribers within just 10 days. For Netflix, it have took over 1 year. For Spotify, 5 months. But for ChatGPT, only 10 days. What it does? In this video, completely, we get the knowledge about artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Generally, ChatGPT is an AI generative tool. Again, you may get doubt what is meant by AI generative tool. He is talking some complicated things. No. I will explain you in detail. AI generative tool is nothing but an artificial intelligence tool. Artificial intelligence means by giving some data, it analyzes the patterns in the data and gives the new data. In our childhood days, our teacher may teach us 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. By asking you the question 5 plus 5, you may immediately say 10. How? Teacher doesn't teaches you each and every addition, right? Teacher only gives you a certain examples. By analyzing that examples, you are going to learn some new thing. And if I ask you another question, by analyzing the data, you can give that answer. In the same thing, we can relate to our daily examples. If we are going to solve some questions in the mathematics, only our teachers give you 3 to 4 questions. But in the exam, that question may not come. Also, we may solve it. But how? We will analyze the problem and completely understand what it is. And we may attempt another question which is in the similar model. In the same way, artificial intelligence also analyzes the data completely. Analyzing in the sense, it may form the patterns in the given data. If you give 2 plus 2 4, what it thinks? 2, another 2 should be added. Our human brain, generally our human brain, how it thinks? So many methods. For example, 5 plus 3, 8. And another person think 2 plus 2 is 4. But 5 plus 3, the numbers are incremented by 4. So the resultant answer will be incremented with 4. So 4 incremented 4, get. In the same way, AI generative tool, AI, artificial intelligence forms all the patterns, all the possible patterns it will form. And that is meant by AI. After forming all the patterns, it will give you the new data, right? Okay, I hope you have got something understood about AI. Now, an organization, OpenAI, has done a project that is ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT is something bigger. Till now, nobody has invented such a project. What it is? ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer. It is a software or a code which is pre-trained. It completely depends on the artificial intelligence. As we know what artificial intelligence is, what it makes. ChatGPT is nothing but if you give ChatGPT some data, if you give to ChatGPT some data, it will analyze all the patterns in it and can answer your question. For example, if you go to the ChatGPT and type a question that how to make a biryani, it will give you the detailed step. Take a 2 glass water, bowl, clearly. How ChatGPT is differentiating from Google? Generally, the Google also does the same thing. Even the ChatGPT also doing the same thing. But why the ChatGPT has gained these many subscribers nowadays? It's all because clarity of information. Remember, subscribers, to attract anybody, clarity of information is must. If we have the clarity in our information, we can attract any viewer. That is what ChatGPT does. If you go to the Google and search it how to make a biryani, you may get a lots of links. In that, for searching each and every link, our enthusiasm getting decreasing for searching each and every link. I won't say the Google is completely useless, but enthusiasm is decreasing. Our work is more when we search in Google. But when you go to the Chat GPT, clear information within the fraction of seconds, you may get how it works. I mean, if you give a question to the Google, it will give you certain links. In that links also you may not get sometimes the procedure. But if you go to the Chat GPT and search that question, each and every step will be there in how the problem is solved. This is what the Chat GPT is doing nowadays. If you ask if you ask to give me a code for some application, it will also give you the code in certain language. In this way, the human work is getting reduced by artificial intelligence. It is only a tool, but it works on the artificial intelligence, right? It also has some advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is as we all discussed from beginning. But what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages are the students are getting more attracted to it. That is mass copying by ChatGPT. Any question, if you give any question, it may answer. If the question is created by your own also, the answer is given by. In that way, the ChatGPT is trained. That is the main disadvantage. Also, some users have typed that is how to make a gun, how to hack Wi-Fi password. Previously, answers are given also, but now they are working on it not to give that irrelevant, illegal answers. This is all about the ChatGPT. I hope you have got some valuable information about ChatGPT. Remember, my dear viewers, it is essential to learn each and everything which is coming in our technology right now. And also we have to also switch to the new things and learn to the new things which are coming in our day-to-day changes. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something interesting. If you are, what did make say? Okay, let's end with this. Subscribe if you like this video. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.